Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, despite being held to a 1-1 draw by defending champion CS Herediano of Costa Rica, Waterhouse are keen to secure victory in next Thursday's return leg in Costa Rica. Simon Preston has the details.
With the 1-1 scoreline, Herediano holds the crucial away goal heading into the second leg of the round of 16 tie in Heredia next Thursday. Despite not getting the win, veteran player Tremaine Stewart was pleased with the result.
I thought my team did fairly well because, just that pre-season, I haven't played a competitive game like this in a long while. So coming out with a 1-1 scoreline, I thought my team did pretty well.
Despite the difficult conditions ahead in Costa Rica, Captain Keithy Simpson feels they can make progress.
It's going to be rough, They're going to come at you 90 minutes plus. They don't ease up at home, We just have to try to contain them as much as possible and just utilize our strengths, and that space. Hit them fast going forward and as much as possible follow the gaffer's instruction, And I think we'll be the better team at the end.
Head coach Marcel Gale has identified what the team needs to work on ahead of the second leg.
We know that we can't take it for granted and give them space. And every time we give them space, we get split. So, we have some work to be done. And let's go back to the drawing board and get it done.
Despite having their away goal cushion, Herediana coach Javet Soto, who spoke through a translator, says he's not taking Waterhouse lightly in the second leg.
Vamos a nuestra casa y tenemos que hacerla respetar.
It was very important for us to come here and, of course, leave with a score against. Of course, a goal away gives us a good advantage, but it doesn't mean it defines the series. We have a lot of respect for Waterhouse, and we have to go next game, prepare, and get a result.
If Waterhouse makes progress, then they will face either Managua of Nicaragua or Motagua of Honduras in the quarterfinals. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.